Good morning. Welcome to 100 Morning Affirmations. Welcome a beautiful morning with beautiful start. Let's begin. I wake up powerful, focused, and unstoppable. Today, I choose excellence in everything I do. I welcome this new day with calm and gratitude. I allow myself to wake up gently and fully present. Today begins with peace and clarity. I am grateful for another morning of life. I start this day grounded and steady. I breathe in fresh energy and release tension. I trust today to unfold as it should. I wake up feeling supported and safe. I choose ease and intention this morning. I welcome clarity into my thoughts. I begin this day with a calm mind. I greet the morning with an open heart. I allow joy to meet me today. I trust myself to handle today with grace. I am present in the quiet moment. I begin the day aligned with what matters. I choose patience and kindness with myself. I am grateful for small, simple moments every day. I move into this day with steady confidence. I welcome lightness into my mood. I start today feeling clear and capable. I let go of yesterday and focus on now. I allow this morning to set a peaceful tone. I trust my inner rhythm today. I welcome fresh possibilities. I feel awake, refreshed, and present. I approach today with quiet confidence. I am grounded in this very moment. I welcome balance into my day. I give myself time to ease into the morning. I am grateful for this new beginning. I choose thoughts that feel supportive. I am open to positive moments today. I feel steady and prepared for today. I trust my ability to navigate today. I begin the day with gentle focus. I am calm, clear, and awake. I allow today to flow naturally. I show myself compassion this morning. I am connected to my breath and body. I welcome motivation without pressure. I am present and aware. I choose ease in my movements. I trust today's timing. I feel grounded as the day begins. I approach today with steady energy. I start today feeling balanced and present. I am open to learning and growth. I welcome today with curiosity. I trust myself to respond thoughtfully. I move into the day with intention. I feel grounded as my day unfolds. I choose peace in my thoughts. I welcome moments of calm throughout the day. I am grateful for this morning's stillness. I feel aligned and centered. I take this day one step at a time. I allow space for ease and focus. I greet today with openness. I feel ready in my own time. I welcome clarity and calm. I am thankful for the simple gift of today. I move forward gently and confidently. I trust myself to do what needs to be done. I choose presence over pressure. I feel calm energy guiding me. I start today with kindness toward myself. I am grounded in the now. I allow today to be manageable and meaningful. I allow motivation to arise naturally. I am open to ease and flow. I begin this day with a clear heart. I breathe deeply and feel present. I feel supported by the morning light. I choose balance as my foundation today. I am ready for this day just as I am. I allow this morning to be gentle and grounding. I trust myself to move through today well. I welcome this day with calm, clarity, and quiet strength. I am creating massive momentum today. I welcome this day with ease. I am focused on winning today. I execute even when it's uncomfortable. I am confident in every room I enter. I operate at a high level. I am built to handle success. I move forward without hesitation. I am grateful, focused, and driven. I show up with intensity and purpose. I trust my ability to succeed. I am consistent no matter what. I am disciplined in mind, body, and spirit. I choose excellence today. I am becoming stronger every single morning. I am unstoppable when I commit. I am living with intention and power. I am winning the inner game. Today, I dominate my day and become more than I was yesterday. A little poem to go by your day. I rise awake, my power clear. This day is mine, I have no fear. My mind is sharp, my spirit strong. I move with purpose all day long. With quiet power, focused sight, I rise awake, grounded and bright. Thank you. Bye-bye.